Hi, I'm Zachary, and this is the first unboxing video on my channel. And this one we're going to have a bit of bird help too. Now as you can see, there's some turkeys behind me. We'll get into them in a different video. But today I'm unboxing two packages. One with some miniatures from Warhammer 40k, the other with a picture. So let's get into the picture first, shall we? This is a picture of a very dorky dog named Barlow. This is a very good picture. I highly recommend getting someone to make them for you. Now, I ain't sponsored or anything, but this is a very good video, so I ain't going very good picture, so I ain't going to say the brand. Now, on to the second box. In this box, we have a Citadel assembly handle used for assembling miniatures. Hello, Tom. As you see, turkeys aren't too sure of this box. Open it up and it looks like this. Expand the base to put different size miniatures on. These are for holding different parts. I say you have a leg you need to hold in place and a head to hold in place. That's what these are for. And that's pretty much what this is, for building miniatures and painting them. We also have a box of Necron warriors from Warhammer 40,000.
Are these good guys or bad guys?
Rather bad. Think of like skeleton robots with big guns. And here we have some Space Marines. 40,000 as well. Tactical Squad, which I'm not too sure which chapter I'm going to paint them as.
Are those good guys or bad guys?
Little of both. So any suggestions for what faction I should paint them as, leave down in the comments. And for the last part of this unboxing, the recent addition to the Warhammer Commander series, Terminator Chaplain Terrantus. He has a, I can't remember, he has a Crozius, and it's like a combi bolter with a flamethrower and light bolter. And that's it. Y'all have a good day.